team. In our team, Sing was the Scrum Master, Lia was the Product Owner, Panyapet worked as QA, and both Supi and I worked as back-end developer. But besides this main role, we also work together as developer to contribute to building the system.
Okay, thank you, Simei. So, one question: what is your project about, and what is the purpose of creating that project?
Yes, our project is called Student Performance Tracker. It's web-based application designed to help teacher monitor student performance, generate report, and identify learning trends. For the purpose of the project is to make it easier for teacher to track student progress while also allowing students to view their own results through an interactive dashboard.
Okay, great answer. So the next question is, what time that you spend of creating that project?
Yes, we spent 1 month complete this project. During first week, we focus on requirement and database design. Then move on to the development, analytic feature, and finally testing and documentation.
Okay, great. One more question. What technology that you use in that project?
Yes, for technology that we use in this project, for backend we use Laravel and MySQL, and also for frontend we use Vue.js, and we also use Chat.js for visualizing and performance data and integrate Google Sheet to allow easy data import.
Okay, great. That's all right.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, my website have the teacher and school to manage keep of student performance, make it easy to see and how the student doing. Find need to have and keep all the data record in one place.
Okay, great. Who should use your website?
The teacher, parent, student and school can use it. The teacher to follow the result of the student can check the old result, and about the parent can know about the student doing, and the last one about the school, they can manage the all data record is better.
Okay, great answer. And thank you, Supi.
Thank you.
What is the challenge that you faced during your VC project?
Okay, during this VC-2, we face many challenges, and one a big challenge that we face about the database. It was really hard to understand about the database connection, like student, subject, or teacher, how to connect it. So we need more time to understand about the connection between the table to table. And one more about the new feature, like we try to add filter about the card or about the manage role of the admin, teacher, or student. So it is hard for the first time, so we need to learn as we work. And one more about the teamwork, because some member in the team busy of the internship, so it's really hard to find the real time to work with each other. And some tasks were delayed because some members are busy.
Okay, it is so hard, right?
Yes.
So how can you solve it?
For the solving the problem for the database, we set up the team and talk about the structure and make the simple ERD to have an understand about the connection between the table to table. And for the new feature, we need to share the work based on which the person good at, and we use the Google, YouTube, Laravel to help us build new feature to help us the easy to build it. And one more about the teamwork. So for the teamwork, we don't have time to meet face to face with each other. So we need to have the group chat with the team to help us stay connection together. So at the end, this project helped us a lot, and we can improve coding skills, simple problem solving, and some difficult but it good experience for everyone in team. So that's all for me.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Leah. So one question for you. How can you see yourself before and after your VC project, and what is the difference?
So, good afternoon. I can see myself different from VC-2 project. First, I will talk about before VC-2 project. I feel less confident to apply my coding skill into real problem. And one point more, everything based on teacher guideline. And I work individual and only with my friend who sit next to me. But after VC-2 project, I work as a team from different classes and I know different coding style and I can know more feature than different from I have learned from teacher and friends in my class. Moreover, I almost forgot to tell you that when I was in the class before VC-2, I am a web student, but during VC-2, I am a product owner who communicates with PR code and IT code, and I help to develop code also.
Thank you, Leah, for your great answer. So right now let's move to another one, and the last one about demo the website. So let's go. Okay, so now I will show you about the project and you will know everything from this project here. Okay, as you see here is the interface of the dashboard of the admin. So admin can see everything in here. So the first one show by the dashboard of admin that can see the total user here, the total subject, total classes, and also total attendance. This one will show by the user growth, that how much the growth of the user distribution, attendance, certification, and also the system health. So this one we will see. This page is show about all user here. When the user have the profile, they also show the profile here. And here is all the user here. As you see, student, and also one teacher. And this one we can sort by name or email. You can select role to see, can be admin, teacher. Okay, we can see teacher here. All teacher appear here. No, not one teacher, as you see. And also the class. We don't have the class here. Okay, so student, we can see student. And we can add user here also. I don't want to add. Click on add user, we can add any user from here. Like role, name, last name, user name, email, select role, password, and password when we want to create a user. But I don't want, click on cancel. For the students, here is the student page that we can see only the student here. And when the student have assigned, you can see like this. This one is in web design and other student not yet assigned into the class, and we can assign also. As you see, we can view and also edit and delete, sort like in that page also. And here is for a teacher. So every teacher will show here. As you can see the teacher, and all the teacher we can see that the class or subject that they hold. So networking or economic or something that you can see here. And it's just import picture or something, import CSV or file download is also. And here is the class. All the class will show here. So as an admin, you can see all the class, and we can see how many students in every class. 1, 0, 0, and also who is the owner of that class. You can see me, him, Ho, Philip, and Lip. But they have no student here. Okay, here the subject, all subject will show here also. can see all the subject, the data subject. Yes. As we have a short time, I cannot show you all in here. In here category, we can search by subject name. Like I want to search music. Okay. Here's music here. And here for term, every term will show here. And you can see the stroke around this one is shown by the current term. Like when we use this one as current term, we can set the current term. Yes, when we set when successfully, you will see here. And this one, we can select the year, and also we can add term also. When I want to add, we can put term name and academic year, and to start that and end that, and we can set as current term or not. Okay. And here for the system setting. For system setting, at here we can set the system like the grade scale, 85 percentage point pass, and also time, year, and also in school name. Can set email notification or something. So if I have a file, I can upload the file to the system. Because I select academic summary, so the file will show here. And we can select sheet 1, 2, or 3, sheet name, and we can select class and also the subject class. And when we select something important, I not just select, I click on upload file only. When we want to upload the file, but we don't want to assign it into any, we can assign it later. So click on the upload file only. When the file is success, we will see here. And for this one, we can import with select class and also delete. When we want to delete, we just click on delete. It will be deleted, as you see. Okay, for the report, as you can see, as an admin, we can see academic report, attendance report, enrollment report, and financial report also, as you see here. For analytics also, and also alert and note. We can add any note here also, new note, and we can note everything. Select student or teacher that you want, and title. Okay, we answer. Here is the interface of teacher dashboard. So when first log in into the system, we will see like this. And here is the profile of the teacher user, and here is the logo of the system, VC education tracker and analytic dashboard. And for the dashboard, we saw here is the total student of that teacher. So I already have the information, so you can see the real information, the average grade and the attendance rate, and the performance alert, like when the student in our website or our class that they are in a low performance, show 2 students that the lowest score in the class. And here you see that their grade in 72 or 68, but they will show because of that the two students, they have a lowest grade. And you can see here, so we only have 5 students here, and also here is the student that will show, that we will show only a student at here. And you can see when we select on this, the data will be changed into that user or that student also. And you can see monthly progress, subject performance, and also grade distribution and performance radar. This radar show performance of all the subject that they learn in the school. Oh, I forgot to tell you that this system is also managed for the school data. Like we can use for multiple school, and also the data keep only for each school. So another school cannot see each other data. I hope that you get it. And okay, let's move to the classroom management. For the classroom management, we will see the class of the teacher. So this teacher teach 3 class, we will see at here the data of the class, and here is the student, so all the student will appear at here, so all the student will show like this. I mean like the teacher can see all students in school, but no, it's not like all the student is their own student, like the student is not in their class, but they also can see all the information here. Okay, let's go with the assessment. For the assessment, we will see the grades and attendance. So about the grade, we can see it here when we have, but right now we don't have, so we cannot see. And the attendance at here also, we can see all the attendance at here. For import, the data import, we can import any data into the system also. So all the report we can see here, like we can select class, select type, and select term, and also the format that we want to generate. So here we used to generate the report. We can generate as class performance report, student grade report, progress tracking, grade distribution, and also attendance summary. Click on generate, it will be generate a report also. Select on computer network and click on generate. So we will see here. Let's go to the analytic. For the analytic, this one we used to select like the class and also the term. If the class and the term have the data, when we run to analysis, we will see the result here that we can calculate for the data moderate, and this one used to see the performance of the student. So let's go to the survey. The survey is used to give a survey like when we learn or study, we used to give a survey to the student and they give back. It can be easy to track the teacher also, and also we can use to track the student and can exchange the strategy to teach them. And also this is alert. And okay, and here is the student dashboard. So for the student, we will see here's the profile of the user or student user, and we will see the user type or user role. That can be, this one is a student, so we can see the student. And here is we use for alert, that we can see any notification here. And as a student, for the dashboard, they can see their grade, their attendance rate, their best subject, total subject, and also performance inside, strength, overall trend, focus area. And we can see all this one. We can select term 1, term 2, term 3, or term 4, term 5. And when we have any data, we show here. So we don't have data, we don't see anything from here. And as you see in the teachers, this one, and the assignment, quiz included. Okay, and let's go to my grade. For my grade, we will see the grade of the student. So all this one, when we have a grade, we'll show here the GPA and also the data analytic, and it is good or bad, and also the data analytic is the subject that they learn. Yes, and the quiz is the exam. You can see here, and this and we will see the record. This score record by who? Record by Lian. Lian as a teacher student. Yeah, as a teacher user. And for the attendance, you will see here that attendance when you can see present, absent, and total. So I will see no absent because there are no absent here. When there are 3 total, but 2 present and 1 left. As you see here, present, 2 present and 1 left. And for the report, as you see in the picture also, we can select any type of the report, and we can use PDF or Excel. Okay, let me show you how I want to generate a transcript. We click on generate here, and you will see, yes, this one when we generate already, the generate completed. We will show the message also, and we will show it here with a notification. So let's go to the survey. The survey is from the teacher, like when the teacher gives the survey to us or to the student, we will show here also. for the feedback, so student can give any feedback to the class or subject that they want. You can select class and select that. Okay, this is all for the student.